the petunias, keep it company. Then going up here we've got Busy Lizzie and Petunia, and then we've got the two chives which are now regulars each year. We've got the lobelia and petunia here in a pot together, and the mustard leaf, which is a bit sorry for itself but not bad. We've got the charred bright lights, which are doing much better in pots than they did in the ground. And then we've got the spinach beets in the corner, and Jasper's plant, which lives outside in the summer. Then we have the 3 chilli plants, and the spider plant from inside, again happier outside. And then we've got the tomato in the hanging basket with some little tomatoes coming through. We've got Vietnamese coriander, which was from the market, sage, normal coriander. This was meant to be parsley but never came through. Then we've got mint, we've got a cucumber there which is ready to be repotted, and rocket. And then we've got some basil just starting to come through, and some lettuce leaf which we've been enjoying a lot. Down we have a yellow French bean pot with a Devon Dork, and then aubergine, we have tomato, and then we have alyssum in cyberwelly, and then we've got another courgette, butternut squash which is being trained round a pyramid, and tomato. We have a Gold Rush yellow courgette which is starting to come through. And then we've got the herbs, regular herbs from last year, and aubergine. And then here we've got the spinach beet which has started to do okay. And going along we have strawberry and 2 different types of tomatoes. And we've got the tortoise house, and he's in there having a sleep. We've got on the window ledge a geranium and more salad leaves. And then this is the hanging basket which has 2 different types of petunia in, an alyssum, a lobelia and a bit of ivy. Along here we have the runner beans, grown from seed, which are doing fantastically. And in the bottom there we've got a bit of 2 petunias there to a bit of colour. We have 2 hanging baskets here. I think these are both money spender tomatoes. And on the back row we have just the wildflowers and bits and bobs that are trying. And along here we have a Busy Lizzie, some petunias and some grass, that's the lawn. Potatoes growing in a sack which are doing pretty well, hopefully. Then these are the fruit bushes. The red currant's still doing okay. The raspberry has sort of gone a bit bad, but hopefully cut it back and save it for next year. And a Devon Dork. And the buddleia, ferocious as ever. We have the courgette here, looking happily off the wiggly worm. And we have the yellow French dwarf beans growing on the new structure, which has worked out really well. And the hanging cyberwelly with the pea in. And then here we have the rest of the peas, which have turned out absolutely fantastically. Here we have the new addition to the garden, 2 chickens.